Hello and then welcome to Farm with Samuel. My name is Samuel and I want to welcome you. If this is your first time on this channel, I just want to entreat you to subscribe to Farm with Samuel on YouTube and then follow us on Facebook at Joe Samuel Agriculturist. Around April, I visited Laperse farms whilst they were planting their maize. And 4 months down the line, I'm here again to visit Laperse farms again, and today the plants that were planted or the crops that were planted 4 months ago is due for harvesting. And Laperse farms is a well-structured farm that everything that they do here is done mechanically. Planting, they use planter to plant, and now with the harvesting, they are using a combined harvester. So I just want you to stay with me as we harvest the 275 acres, close to 300 acres maize, which was started about 3 days ago. And then we are hoping by some or by a week or two, the harvesting will be done. So join me. Let's go through the harvesting together. My name is Samuel. This is Farm with Samuel. So this is the harvester that I was talking about. And it is very efficient. It's an Indian machine, Dasmesh combined harvester. And I'm told by my own personal colleague that it is very effective and efficient. And I'm also privileged to have the Dasmesh team here with me, and then they tell us a little about how these machines work, and then how, as a commercial farmer, you can also get some on your farm.
Yeah, morning Ghana. Hope you are doing good. First of all, thank you, Mr. Michael Mahama and High Farm Agro and Machinery team, who gave us the chance to bring this machine, the Dasmesh 731 here. We are here since 5 days. We came along with the machine to monitor the performance of the machine. We are at farm right now, and you have already heard about the machine performance from the farm manager and Mr. Michael, who is looking after this farm and taking care of this farm. We are a 52 years old harvester manufacturing company from India. We are into manufacturing of harvesters and farming implements. We are based at Malerkotla, Punjab, India, with Dasmesh Mechanical Works Private Limited. My name is Amit, and he's Paramjeet, who is looking after the performance of this machine. We are here for the satisfaction of our client. We have entered for the first time in Ghana, so we are closely monitoring the performance of this machine, the quality of grains, the breakage of grains. I think Mr. Hafiz has already told you that there is no grain damage or grain loss in this machine. They have harvested around 30 acres of land in 2 days. And if you want to see the quality of this machine or performance of this machine, you can visit their farm. You can have the address of the farm from Mr. Hafiz. Thank you so much.
I hope we've heard what he said, and then we believe that, as he said, if you're a commercial farmer and then you want these implements on your farm, they say they are here in Ghana, and I believe as we are here to also witness how effective the harvester is, we all get to know how effective and it is. So just stay with us. Let us walk through how this machine is going to harvest the maize very well, and then you also understand why he is saying that as a farmer you need it. So we are going to stay and then watch how the harvester is going to work. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ghana.
We
Thank you so
wish
much.
that farmers will buy it and then they use it.
100%. We are looking for future business from Ghana. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
gotcha. See, I'm not teacher. I don't find out. That's eh? Your friends, first time now, when first time now, your friends, not that in the show. I think I'm not coming. I'm the banner. We're going to see something. I'm not sure. Thank you, sir. After how many years? Wow. And I'm not going to sir.
So this is how the Dasmesh combined harvester works. I mean, walking through how it harvests the maize compared to some other harvesters that sometimes trample on the maize. I mean, even push some of the maize down. This one is quite okay, and I believe as a commercial farmer, you need this to work on your field. It will make your work very efficient, and also your work will be very fast. I mean, when it's time for you to harvest. So I recommend that every commercial farmer, even if you are not a commercial farmer and you still want to use a combined harvester on your farm, you can use this harvester as well. So I entreat all farmers. You cannot do a commercial farm, or you cannot go into commercial farming without using farm implement. Of course, it is very important. So just stay with us on this channel. We'll bring you more educative and then interactive programs on agriculture that will help you boost your production and then help you sustain whatever that you are doing along the agricultural value chain. So my name is Samuel. Just do what to subscribe to Farm with Samuel on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook at Joe Samuel Agriculturist. Just join us. Let us plant today and harvest tomorrow. This is Farm with Samuel.